Chase and Skye. They're stuck in the mud. They can't get out the truck. We need to save them. Big Brother said Ruff, nice and green.
Oh no! Zuma! Is that Chase's truck I can see?
I'm not too sure. What do you think, Rex?
I think it is.
I done the own check. That is Chase and Skye. They're stuck in the mud. They can't get out the truck. We need to save them. It's okay, Skye. We'll choose on the way. Would that Chase the rescue truck out? It's time to tow Charles. We are the car wash. Oh boy, this truck is dirty. We'll shake it all up. Let's set all the data. Let's fill it all up. Time the day also peace. You got all the bubbles. Is it like clouds in the sky? Big Brother said It's really nice and buttery. Let's roll it all up. Ruff, nice and clean. brush, nice and clean. And you dry it all up. Dry, dry, dry. Dry, dry, dry. All done. Wow. You just want the car wash. Thanks for showing my tower. Bye-bye. See you next time. Thank you for watching my YouTube. Like and subscribe.